going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Now I got the door back on. So the door weighs a little under 100 pounds. I'm gonna say probably like 80 pounds, 80 some pounds. I was able to do it by myself, but it was a little task. I'm not gonna lie to you. So you see that canister over there? I used it to put under the bottom on this end while I lifted and got that end up here situated. So everything is lining up now. I can tell that the pins was most definitely the problem. I got a little deal in here to hold the proper door open, but just to show you, perfect. At first I had to pick it up, it was falling way down here. Now I can lock the door, so now we can actually lock it and it's completely locked. So it was just took me a little time, but I can say you can do this yourself. One thing I do love about these old body Chevys that you actually can work on them. YouTube is a great place to go and find some ways to do different things, because everybody do stuff different. So I looked at actually a few videos, and it was one that was pretty simple. It was like a few of them made it a little too complicated on how to remove the pins, and you know, I don't know if they just wanted you to watch a long video or what, but I put the pins in, everything worked right. But I did find a good video, and I just wanted to release a video saying that you can do this yourself. I did this myself. Took me, I would say, under 2 hours to do it. Easy under 2 hours. And my Chevy work truck is coming on along. Got a couple more things, but the major things is good. I can drive it. So I have a couple things with the radio now that I'm about to get ready to mess with, because I ain't got no power coming over there. So I got to have a fuse out, or I got to run a wire to get power. So that's my next thing, because we can't ride and not have nothing to listen to, man. Come on now. It's more than hip hop. I'll go on, I'm out.